Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. I apologize to the channel members. Not a lot of stuff to do right now, but I will be buying stuff at the end of the week. You will get some Pittsburgh unboxing as soon as I get it. I'd definitely be so glad to get a haircut. My hair looks like hell. So there's part of the rest of me. Alright, I just did a video showing my foot, which is going crazy again. Went to the doctor Friday and showed graphic detail of the foot. I haven't posted it yet. I will. This is Pittsburgh Unboxing, and I got two items. This is the closest analog to what the doctor put on my foot. There are 8 rolls of this. This is a self-adhesive roll. And then this is honey gauze dressing with Manuka honey, leg ulcers, pressure ulcers, first and second degree burns. I didn't know that. Diabetic foot ulcers. I do not have diabetes. Surgical wounds and trauma wounds. So let's open this up. I'm going to the left small toe next to the big toe appeared Saturday morning as a big yellow blister. It immediately burst. I didn't touch it. And it's draining. The 2 small red wounds on the big toe are draining, and they showed up a week ago. And I'm taking my water pills and my blood pressure pills. So here they are. So what I'm going to do is, she wanted this dressing. She didn't put any dressing really on the one she put on the end of the big toe didn't stay on. So I'm going to wait till tomorrow and put one of these on after I've had when I get back from Kathy's, a well-needed shower. Maybe I'll do that before, and I guess that wouldn't be such a good idea. My foot be wet. So I'm going to put this Manuka honey dressing on there, which is supposed to kill the infection, and then put another one on the toe, the small toe, and it says this product consists of Manuka honey and pure cotton gauze, sterile single wound care dressing that helps maintain a moist environment conducive to wound healing. I don't know why you need a moist environment. Then I'll see how these work. But that's the same color as the kind of gauze tape she put on my foot, so which is staying. And I'm very upset about it. Kathy's upset. She's worried. But this is due to poor blood circulation. So I don't know what to do about that. I've got to contact my regular doctor. What do I do about my blood circulation? And by the way, I mentioned this in a video I just did. I went through everything in my mini refrigerator to look for sodium content, which is kind of like salt. And this stuff has sodium in it. This can of milk has sodium in it. The 2,000 Island dressings have sodium in it. The mustard had sodium in it. The International Light Creamer had sodium in it. The Coffee Mate had sodium in it. Now they have products, canned goods, no salt added, which means, I guess, no sodium. They could do that, but why they don't, I don't know. Yeah, according to Alexa Dot, it's a preservative and it helps fight bacteria that may form in the food. But if you have issues with salt, as I do with my history of kidney stones, you don't want sodium and salt in your diet. I guess I'm going to have to eliminate microwave popcorn unless I make it from the Colonel, not Colonel Sanders. So, okay, now there's one other thing here. Let's get the channel numbers. They went up yesterday. 1,537,000. No, they went up today. I'm sorry. 537,367. Ding, ding, ding. And 19,728 subscribers. Thank you, people, for the views on the cute Christmas train and for Kathy and I having dinner. I just about froze coming back. I didn't have a jacket. I wore my really old beat-up hoodie to cat feed last night. And I have to wash my new red one. And I fed Tuxie Tuxie, the pretty gray shy kitten, and the little baby face shy kitten. He kept running away, running across the street and panicking. I don't know, I ate a bunch of cheese. Oh yeah, the Tillamook extra sharp, wonderful, best cheddar cheese ever. Also has sodium. You can't win. It's everywhere. It's pervasive. All right, I'll let you know what happens with my foot, but this should help. My doctor said, get the Manuka honey, and I said, what? I said to the pharmacy people, and they were cracking up. What the hell is this Manuka honey stuff? Sounds like one of them Polynesian diseases you get, or something that grows and eats you in the jungle. I never heard of this Manuka honey. I heard of clover honey. I heard of organic honey, all kinds of mixed honey, honey with bees eat alfalfa. Who knows? There are all kinds of honeys out there, but Manuka, what the hell is Manuka honey? And I still don't know what the hell Manuka honey is. I never heard of it. I had to figure out how to spell it. All right, that's it for this one. Have a great evening. The Steelers lost. Fire Mike Tomlin. Now, there's a woman on X. She's a Bills fan. She's a former playmate. And every time she says, I'll take my top off if the Bills lose. I can become a Bills fan. She's a really pretty, very busty blonde. But I'm going like, what the hell's wrong with the Steelers? Oh, God, I'm so sick of the Steelers. Now the Steelers have turned out like the Pittsburgh Pirates. A long-suffering Pirates fan as well. Have a great day, a great evening. Stay warm, people. Top Cat said it snowed in Boston, so that's got to be the first snow. And Boston, Pittsburgh, Moscow, Berlin, Lake Tahoe, Reno, all freezing or below. All right, have a good night. Stay warm, stay safe, and don't eat too much salt. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Thanks for watching. I will catch you next time. Remember, you can join the channel for content you don't see in the regular channel. There will be more content. And what item I haven't posted yet, item I just got, great item. I think I did post it from eBay. And there'll be more content next week as I buy more stuff. And also next week, hopefully Friday, hopefully my check will come in before then, I will be getting 2 coin loans out. That will be huge. That will free up $20 on one and maybe as much as $50 on the other. So then in the end of January, I'll get the next loan out. The other one will be out February, the end of February, and then the loans are over. And that frees up $550 a year in coin loans. And now I'll start giving Kathy, it's $50 a month or more, maybe $100 a month. I got to sit down and figure with them, how much have I paid on this? And also, how much is my silver worth? So let's say it's $100 a month. I'll give her the $100 a month toward us getting a car again, because this taking the bus is really sucky. Oh, here we go. 31-year-old global cosmetic brand files Chapter 11 bankruptcy. Another one bites the dust. So that's on thestreet.com. Let's see who went bankrupt this time. Every time I turn around, I get news stories. American Signature 77-year-old furniture company went bankrupt. Probably back east somewhere. Let me see my phone here. Oop, come on, phone. This is Avon. Oh my God, Avon filed for bankruptcy. They filed for 2024. So, now here's a new one. Kutera, leading provider of aesthetic and dermatology solutions, filed for bankruptcy in March. Kutera emerged from bankruptcy. Sun Cause, Valley of the Sun filed for bankruptcy. It's like one after another. They all can't make any money. Or they've got too much debt. All right. Have a good night. Bye, Top Cat. Bye, kitties. Bye, channel members. See you later. Thanks for watching. Click the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will catch you later. My voice is going. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Bye-bye for now. See you later.